So we come inside and just look at the switches, make sure everything's on. And our lights, so it's nice and bright in here when we're doing work. Check all of these. Fire extinguisher, the condition, just in case we need to use it. Got our little safety data sheets over here. Bit of instructions. Then we've got our extract fan. Got to make sure this is on before we start any welding, and it's on. Everyone's doing welding at the moment. Then we've got to come over here and look at our gas lines. At the moment they have been already turned on, but I'm just going to give it a quick spray to see, just in case, if this bottle is going to work. Just to check for any gas leaks or air leaks, any bubbles. It's sitting at 1500 over here, 150 for the acetylene. I don't know how to say that, but yeah, the oxygen's over there. And then come over here and check our what are these called? Regulators. Check our regulators, just to make sure before we use them there's no gas leaks and all that. So we'll just turn that on. What it is about. Oh. Oh, there we go. We'll set it at about maybe a bit lower than that. Oh, that'll be alright, just for the test. Yeah. Oh shit. Spraying the wrong body. Everything seems to be alright. I don't see any bubbles and that popping out, bubbling up anywhere. So those are all good. We'll just check this last one. So we'll turn those on actually, sorry. That's all good. It's only coming out. And we're done. Ready to weld.